Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this amazing look. This is actually a wig cap and I did not braid my hair. And I made this wig cap and I actually installed the wig cap in less than 3 minutes. You can install this wig cap in less than 3 minutes and you can take it off in less than 5 minutes. So it's really convenient and easy. So to begin this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Senegalese twist 18-inch hair, and I am using a U-part wig cap for this tutorial. And in most of my videos, I actually start my hair from the front, but for this tutorial I'm starting from the back. But I'm gonna really space out the back because I don't want the hair, my cap to be really full and too heavy. I don't really like when I do my hair and it's so bulky and so heavy. It's so inconvenient. So I'm gonna be making it really sparse at the back, and then I'm going to fill up the front really full so that it looks natural and it doesn't show the empty spaces at the back. So to do this wig cap, to crochet your wig cap, I'm just gonna be explaining to you guys how to crochet your hair. To crochet your hair, you place your hook on the cornrows and not on the net, because if you place it on the net, it's gonna rip off the net. Place it on the cornrows like in the video. You place your braids on the, you see the small hook on the crochet hook. You place your braids through that small hook, you close it up, and you pull out the braid. Then you pass the end of the braid through the loop on the braid, just like in the video. I hope you guys understood. If you don't understand that, you just need to go back and you replay it and try to do it. I'm sure you can easily do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna be filling up my cup, and you guys just watch, and I'll be giving some comments wherever it's necessary, but if not, then I'll just let you watch. If you notice, while doing my braids, I try to overlap them. Like I place one in between two others so that the hair falls back and closes up the empty spaces. I don't just do the braids in a straight line. I try to place them one in between the other two just to fill up the hair, as you can see in the video. And as we are about reaching the top of the cap, you notice that I'll start increasing the number of braids I put on the cap and try to make it a little bit closer as compared to the back where it's really sparse and empty. When I'm done, then I could see if I want to cover any empty spaces, then I could do that. But if not, then I'm just gonna let it be because I don't want it heavy and too full. Okay guys, we are at the top of the wig. Remember not to crochet the last line at the top of the wig because you're going to be using that to install your wig on your head. And don't forget to put your bobby pins or your T-pins just to keep the head in while you're trying to crochet the braids. If not, it's going to be moving around, it's going to be shaking, and it's going to be so difficult for you to crochet your hair. So right now I'm done with the top. I filled out the most important, the first two lines, and they are really full. So right now I'm just filling up the empty spaces, the spaces that look funny. As you can see, I'm done with the wig, and I'm about to install the wig on my head. I'm just gonna do my cornrows, and I'm just gonna do like 6 braids at the top of my head, just 6 braids with rubber bands. And then after doing 6 braids, like 3 on the left side and 3 on the right, you can actually put any, you can actually make the line depending on how you want it, but I just wanted a middle line, so I did that. And then I just placed some rubber bands and then just tie the hair to the back. But if you want to cornrow your hair, I think that's the best option, to cornrow your hair, because when you cornrow the hair, it's gonna lie, the wig is gonna lie flat on your hair, and it's going to be even more nicer. But I'm just showing you guys easier patterns if you don't want to stress doing the if you're in a haze and you don't have time, you can do this. Or you can do the other method, that is, you just cut your 6 braids and then you cut another line and then you cornrow just that line, and then you can then tie the hair at the back just like in the video. That's the best. I think that's like one of the best. But for my hair, I actually cornrowed all my hair. I'm just showing you guys the ways you can do it for it to be really easy for you. If you have time, I'll advise you cornrow all your hair. So I cornrow all my hair because I wear lots of wigs, so I just cornrow my hair so that if I want to do wear my other wigs, I'm just gonna wear it. And when I say cornrow my hair, it's not like I really take time. I just do something, even if it's rough, I just do it just to make the hair lie, just to make my wigs lie flat on my head. So I'll just leave you guys to keep watching. We're done braiding our hair, so all we need to do now is to install our wig. And you just need to do the same crochet process, but this time around you're going to pass the braid through your natural hair and through the wig cap, just to keep it in, like in the video. So you just pull the braid out just like in the video. You don't need to use the crochet hook, just pass it through your natural hair and through the cap, then you pull it out. You just need to place your crochet hook through your cap, where the braid is, where you braided your hair. Place the crochet hook through the cap and through your natural hair. Then you place your braid on the crochet hook. Then you pull it out. Close it, pull it out. Open the loop and you pull out the tail of the braid, and that's it. Remember we braided our hair, we did just 6 parts, but we're going to be crocheting in just 4 of those parts. For the remaining 2 parts, you just need to crochet your braid on the cap itself. You don't need to crochet right into your hair, because the first 4 parts are good enough. But if you want to, you can, but it's not really necessary. So you just need to crochet in the first 4 parts and you're good to go. And that's it. I think we're done with our wig. Doesn't it look amazing? So I'm just gonna be putting in some bobby pins just to keep the wig in. You can actually put wig combs, but I just put bobby pins because I just want to put it the way I want it, and I didn't have time to start sewing in wig combs when the bobby pins do the same job. But it all depends on you guys. I mean, isn't this beautiful? I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be showing you guys easy tricks to do your hair. I mean, this is how I actually do my hair, and I can actually undo this hair in less than 3 minutes. It's just so easy to undo this hair. I do my hair like this, and when I want to sleep and I don't want anything touching me, I just take it off. I mean, this is so easy and so nice and so light, guys. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be showing you guys other amazing styles like this. And don't forget to go watch my other videos. Love you. Have a nice day.